Alright, so in A, we have E in the x direction, so in the positive x direction. So that's difficult, I have to flip my hand around. So E is in the positive x direction, and B is in the positive y direction. So I have to rotate my hand so that I can grab the magnetic field going in the positive y direction. So my thumb is pointing out of the page, which is going to be the positive z direction. So that is example A. In example B, we have that the electric field is pointing in the negative z, and the magnetic field is pointing in the positive x. So let's see, negative z would be into the board. So my fingers are pointing into the board, and I am grabbing the magnetic field going in the positive x, so my thumb points down, or in the negative y direction. Alright, so for C, we have E pointing in the positive z, so that's out of the page, and B is in the positive y, so I'm going to rotate my hand to grab the magnetic field going straight up, and my thumb points in the negative x direction, so that's the direction the wave propagates. In our last example, E points in the positive y, so I'm going to point my fingers going straight up, and this is the disadvantage of having this sitting on a table. The magnetic field points in the negative x, so I have to rotate my hand, so this is still pointing up, but I'm now going to rotate so I can grab in the negative x direction, so my thumb points out in the positive z direction. So remember, your thumb is V, your fingers are E, and you grab B.